Sidra Sharif and you are watching Saiban News. Now, added news from Rawalpindi as per ISPR. Lieutenant General SM Kamr-ul-Hassan, Principal Staff Officer of the Armed Forces Division of Bangladesh, is visiting Pakistan and met with General Syed Asim Munir Nishal Imtiaz, Military Chief of Army Staff at the General Headquarters Rawalpindi. During their meeting, both had extensive discussions on the evolving security dynamics in the region and explored further avenues for enhancing bilateral military cooperation. The Chief of Army Staff and the Principal Staff Officer underscored the importance of a stronger defense relationship, emphasizing that the enduring partnership between the two brotherly nations must remain resilient against external influences. Chief of Army Staff reiterated the significance of joint efforts to promote peace and stability in South Asia and the border region while ensuring that both nations continue to contribute the regional security through collaborative defense initiatives. Lieutenant General Kamr-ul-Hassan commended the exceptional professionalism of the Pakistan Army and acknowledged that the immense sacrifice made by the armed force in their relentless fight against terrorism, nothing that their efforts serve as a beacon of courage and determination.